This week we're doing some cane webbing because it's super hot right now. Also, I want this piece for my new office where I will be doing my podcast from now on. It's going to be my new backdrop and I'm so excited to get this done. I found this two-piece china cabinet at a local shop and I knew this was the one. It's actually perfect because I can sell the bottom part to pay for the top, so it is a free piece of furniture. It was a nice, solid piece of furniture made in 1970s. Super 70s vibe. And we will be replacing these glass panels with cane webbing, so we will need to remove them. It was in great shape and it did need a good cleaning. I used white lightning. For the legs, I found these on Amazon. I really love them. They're like mid-century modern legs and gold, so pretty. I thought they were perfect for the look I was going for. We then laid it down on its side and attached the legs. Looks great so far, let's keep moving along. For my paint color, I'm going with Caviar Black by Dixie Belle. I chose black to contrast the cane webbing. I wanted that cane webbing to stand out. Also, black color is very popular for interior design at the moment, so I wanted a fancy black piece of furniture in my office. I used 2 coats of black for the solid coverage. Also, if you're not following me on Instagram, you're missing out, and right now is the great time to do that. Lots of pictures and videos and some behind the scene content as well. To seal my black, I'm using clear coat. It's going to go on kind of white and milky, but will dry clear, so don't freak out. Once the clear coat is completely dry, we can move to the cane webbing. It came in a roll like this. It is suggested you soak it in first in warm water for 30 minutes. It's actually really easy to cut down the size with scissors. We did some quick measurements and cut the cane to size. To attach this, you will need a stapler or a staple gun. First, we just attached it to the door. But that actually didn't look right, and the correct way was to staple the can to the glass frame. So we took those staples off and did it again. Of course, the staple gun broke in the middle of the project. Like, really? Really? You decided right now to break? We got another staple gun. It took a little practice, but Carlos got the hang of it and got better with each door. The ones on the side didn't open, so those were the hardest to get to. They were not removable, like, no. He ended up getting really good and fast at this. Like, he did this all his life. Once he was done, I cleaned up any mess we made and covered up a few scratches. You can see how tight cane is, but soaking it in the water really helped. When the cane was dry, it tightened up and it looked really professional. At first I was like, oh my god, it's a little wobbly. It was wobbly when it was wet. But I came the next morning and it was tight and nice and professional looking cabinet. Once the cane was on, it was time for some gold. I'm loving gemstone mousse by Dixie Belle, so I will be using that today. You actually want to give this a good mix before you're using it. This doesn't need much and I didn't want to overdo it. I just wanted a touch on the hinges and the hardware. Also, I use my scissors to clean up the cane webbing on the doors. And it was done! I'm loving this. It's going to be perfect for my office. I have to admit, I was a little scared going into this project because of the cane. But I am so glad I did it. I definitely went out of my comfort zone. Like, I don't do cane webbing. Well, I didn't really do the cane webbing in this project neither. Carlos did it. It looks amazing and I cannot wait to finish my office and do my podcast from there. What do you guys think of the cane webbing hype? Do you like it or you don't care for it? I like it. I'm like obsessed with it. Did you like this project? If you did, leave me a comment below, give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you next time. Bye guys, bye, 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 bye guys. I got such a pretty cabinet. By the way, these cabinets are going for a few $1,000s in stores, so that was a no-no. We do it yourself in this house. That's how we roll.